when I'm trying to, the screen resolution is not existing. Even I try to go to adjust the screen resolution, it is completely. Okay, so what he's saying is go to devices, insert, guest, additional CD image, this one. Okay, nothing is pop up here. Okay, but go to Windows Explorer, means Windows E. Go to this, see, which look like a CD DVD virtual box guest edition. Right. Okay, so he said it is install VMware editions kind of stuff. It is AMD 64, this one. So which one, whatever it is, we'll start from one by one. Problem solved, then problem is solved. Virtual box editions like this. It's like a driver's installation. Okay, in a VMware workstation, there is a VMware related workstation related things will be there. Reboot now, just reboot it. So we'll see what happened after reboot. Screen, everything like displays become much smoother, kind of stuff will happen. Usually I don't use virtual box, not very much. But this is a company laptop, no? So that's the problem. So password, 8 minute, 123. The screen is not even a 800 to 600. So it's the smoother display. Now display resolution, I can able to change it. Keep changes. No problem. Not giving higher than this one. But even this one is very small. Yeah, my display, my laptop display is also bigger. It's good now. Go to seamless mode. Means what? Means no heading, nothing. This danger. This is headless mode. The full stretch mode. Somewhat look like a screen. This is okay. So yeah, you're right. You got a problem. What to do? Learn how to solve the problem, and you should know how to search in Google and how to search in YouTube. Exactly what is your problem, you are able to search. Once you find a solution, use the solution, test your solution, use your solution, and remember your solution, kind of stuff. So once you remember your solution, guys, that is your solution. That is how people are living in this IT industry. Means once they find a solution, whether they are made a solution or maybe they find it from some other resources. Once they don't know the solution, they will they will adopt the solution. Okay, yeah. So as I said, post installation steps. Importance in a post installation step is create a user account. Creation of local user account. Any other information it is asking, you can do it. But from Windows 8 and Windows 10, There is a Microsoft login account is there. So go for offline. Don't go with the Microsoft account. If you want, you can do it. But it is not completed, guys. In a post installation steps, very important is to install device drivers. Install a device driver. What is this device drivers? What are the device drivers for? Audio drivers, video means display drivers if it is required. Display related drivers, audio, video, display. Video means the display related drivers. Network, important one is network drivers. Network related, your NIC. Okay, your NIC is Wi-Fi or not a Wi-Fi? NIC. Okay, install the drivers. Audio drivers, video drivers, network drivers. Okay. Any chipset drivers are here available? Install chipset. Your chipset drivers. Next. You install the drivers, right? So you once installed network drivers are installed. Connect network means internet connected to internet. After that one, so what to do? Update Windows. Okay. Install antivirus. Install antivirus or update install antivirus and update the antivirus or update Windows Defender. Okay, anything at least Windows Defender update, Windows updates. After that one, install applications as you require. Okay, install the applications as per your requirement. Do as necessary settings. So guys, this is our post installation option. And here it is installation of drivers. Why we should install a drivers? Okay. OS may not understand how to communicate with some devices or chipsets. Device drivers are program or software make a communication between device and OS. Device drivers are working device drivers at kernel level. Okay, kernel level, voice kernel level. Okay, so your operating system may not understand how to work with audio chip, how to work with a video chip, how to work with an IC chip, how to work with certain chipsets. So your device drivers is a program or a software which helps your operating system to communicate with the hardware. It installed at a kernel level. It works. The device drivers level is kernel level, not a direct shell level. Okay, so you cannot see direct drivers on the screen, right? So it will be there on the screen. If anything is showing related to hardware controller, that is just our optional. For example, you can see this is a microphone, this is a network connections, battery. These are all just for our understanding, our controlling purpose only. Originally, mic is working with this audio chips inside of your system. Okay, so this is a one point. Guys, understand what is the post installation?
Yes, sir.
So first one is I want to show now today is a disk management. So to open the disk management, either go to run or a search, type diskmgmt.msc. So here what we are doing, guys, I have a 150 GB hard disk. I inserted a 150 GB hard disk. And only one partition is created. Of course, there is a other partition, two more partitions are there. So we are not accessing that one directly, but there is a C drive. Total disk size is 150. And that entire C drive is taken 150. Okay, at least 149. So point something. So your entire C drive size is almost all 150. Okay. Now I want a D drive, some separate drive to install some operating system, some to install to store some information, right? I want to split this disk. For C drive, I want to keep 50 GB. For this drive, I want to keep 100 GB separate. Okay, I want to separate 100 GB from this total 150 GB. What to do? You have to go to disk management. In disk management, what have to do? My C drive is 150 GB. Okay. I want to separate 150 GB into 50 GB plus 100. The 50 GB is already a C drive. Or 100 plus 50, like that also you can do it. But currently my plan is like this. Depends upon what is your requirement. So what is how to do it? So go to disk management. Okay. RIGHT, right click on C drive. Select shrink volume. Okay, in the shrink volume, okay, I want to shrink 100 GB, right? So it means the volume size is 1024, means 1 GB, 00, that is 100 GB. Okay, I want to shrink the volume 100 GB out of 150. So select shrink volume. Okay, you how much shrink volume you need it 100 GB. Okay, so we have to tell in MBs. So then you have to tell in a MBs like this. So guys, understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very good. Then
we
guide
have to
me
shrink
what to do.
first
Guide me what to do. First, we have to go to
risk management.
risk management. Very good. So now we have a C drive. This is the C drive. 149.36 GB. Right click. Which option I have to select?
Shrink volume.
Shrink volume. Now enter the amount of space to shrink. How much? 102400 means 100 GB I want to shrink, and 50546 come to C drive. 102400 unallocated volume. So I'm clicking shrink. Click. It is C drive unallocated volume. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes sir.
Now
Yes.
I got a 100 GB unallocated volume. Now I want to create another drive to store some files. Okay, I want to create some 40 GB drive out of 100 GB unallocated. I want to create new simple volume in new partition of 40 GB out of 100 GB unallocated. Okay, so what to do? Again, right click on 100 GB unallocated. Just instead of typing unallocated, I click on 100 GB and capture. New simple volume. So in the new simple volume, the volume size is 40 GB. 40 GB means 4096, means 4 GB. 40 means 0. This is in MBs. Remaining is all default, NTFS file system. Okay, all are default only, default things, whatever it is. So we'll take file system, NTFS, file system. Check. Again, we are already in a disk management. 100 GB unallocated. I want 40 GB. Yes. Right click. Which option?
New simple volume.
New simple volume. So it is a new simple volume can only be in a single disk. Okay. Next. Simple volume size 40 GB. 40960. This 4 GB 0 means 40 GB. Drive letter. Okay. File system is NTFS. Okay. X fat is showing, not fat is showing because it's a 40 GB. Use the default values. Nothing, I didn't say anything to change. So quick format. Next, finish. So new format is good. This is how to create a simple one. Okay. This one also we can create it. You want to create 20 GB or you want to create a 50 GB or an entire 60 GB one volume, you can create. And it is a GPT. To say convert into MBR means disk is GPT. So no need to worry of any logical volume, extension volume kind of stuff. 128 partitions you can. So the partitions you can see from here. B drive, B drive. This is the B drive partition. Okay. Yes, I'm creating a 20 GB volume. I'm creating a 20 GB volume in the remaining 60 GB. I'm creating a 20 GB volume, but I don't want to make people to know there is a volume in it. Okay. So we'll see new simple volume. Next, 20 GB volume means 2048. 0 means it's a 20 GB volume. Next. Okay. Do not assign a drive letter or a drive path. Next. And NTFS volume, finish. Nothing changes. So 20 GB volume is created, but you cannot see from here. You think C, E is there. And where is this 20 GB volume? It is not showing. Okay. Same thing. These volumes also do not have a drive letters. That's why it is we cannot able to access. You want to access this volume, two options. Either you should mount it to someone or you have to give a drive letter. So I'm assigning a drive letter to it. Right click, change drive letter and a path. I'm giving drive letter, F drive, click OK. Now it is F drive. The F drive. Okay. If in case you create some content in it. It's okay. I'm creating some files in the F drive. Okay. F drive. Now you can see I'm removing this drive letter. Remove. Now can you see F is gone, but still it is here. Okay. Still it is there. Data is here on the inside. Okay, I'm adding some different drive letters. So F, G, so whatever it is, guys. So data is here. Earlier it is F. Now I change it to G, but volume is 1. So the letters are purely logical. which letter you want to do it, you can get it. Okay, based on it is available. In which ways, guys, understand how to shrink volume, how to create a new volume. Understand.
Yes, sir.
You can delete a volumes. You can extend a volume also. Means this is a 20 GB volume. This is 40 GB. I want to increase my 20 GB to total 40 GB. I want to take entire 40 GB to 20 GB. Like that, I can do it. Otherwise, I will increase 10 GB only. For example, this is 20 GB. This is 40. I want to add this. Okay, this is 20 GB. Volume is there. 40 GB unallocated. I want to add a 10 GB from it. From this one to this one. Then it is become 30 GB. How to do it? Right click on this one only 20 GB. Right click. Extend volume. Extend volume. Next. 10 GB volume. Now it is 30 GB. This is also a 30 GB. Okay. This is extend one. Now you can see this is become 30 GB. This is the content of that. Deleting a volume. So this volume is no longer required. So we can able to delete volume directly. If you delete a volume, the data we cannot able to get it back. It is gone forever. It's not showing, and also it is not here. Means it is gone from our. Okay. So that is what we are trying to say. The disk management. This is few, only very few disk points in the disk management. Okay. Also for extend. Try extend volume. And also try delete volume. So change drive letters. The disk management. So many things are there. That is the basic disk management. Yeah. I will try to show you the adding a printer, guys. So next class, I will try to show you file sharing and a BitLocker. Just now only printer add I will try to show you. But that is also will take time. Add printer. How to add a printer? Okay, so thing is you have to drag. Adding a printers in a different ways is there, guys. There is a separate class is there. But I'm telling a simple way. This is my PC. Because we are not sharing anything. So this is my PC, PCA. And then I have got a printer. So local printer it is. And we are connected to the printer. So how we are connecting using USB port or like that, we are connected. This is represent a paper. This is a printer. Not for this. Okay. So my concept here, it is what I'm trying to say, local printer. Means printer is directly connected to device. Printer PC or laptop. Is a local printer. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, think like this. You have a PC and now you have a printer. Okay. You are connected your PC to a printer. USB cable or something you connect. Okay. But you connected, is it that's it is enough? Sometimes not, right? So when you connect, your operating system try to detect that device. Okay. So what happened? Connect the printer to PC. Then what happened? Operating system try to detect. Yeah? Okay. Operating system detects the device, means printer. Using PNP, plug and play, because of PSP, mainly PSP, plug and play. OS checks in system for suitable drivers for that device. This one, our printer. If it found OS loads the drivers, so we can take print. Use device means we can take print. Okay. Next, if not, install drivers, either download, you got it by either download, or sometimes it comes with the product, like with your printer. drivers will come up, or you have to download it. Okay, install the drivers into system. Then check device connection and communicate. Means how to work with it. So try take print. Okay. So here in my system currently I didn't put any printer. No physical printer is connected. No printer is available. Okay. So either I have to download some printer kind of stuff. Physically, we can't show you, but how these options are look show there, so we can. You look at here. This is my PC, right? So here it is. I'm going to control panel. Just I'm showing a local printer, guys. Hardware and sound, or go to large icons, add a device or add printer. This is device manager. Where are you? Devices and printers. Okay. First of all, you have to go to the control panel. Why internet is not there for this one? Connected. Not required internet, but still. Okay. Go to all control panel items. Okay. Select devices and printers. Okay. Adding printer from control panel. So step by step, guys. This is the first step. Next, add devices and printers. Now you can choose add a device if you want to add a specific type of device like a Bluetooth device kind of stuff. I want to add a printer. I want to add a printer. Okay. This is okay. Where is this? Okay. So select add printer. Add a printer. That is showing like the printer that I want is not listed. Means it is trying to detect what printer it is there. Which printer you are connected. Actually, we didn't connect any printer, guys, here. Okay. But the printer that I want is not listed. It's not showing the printer here because it's not there, of course. What I'm doing is I'm selecting this option. Okay. I'm selecting this option, this one. So I'm selecting this option because it's not showing. Now this is the point. It is my printer is little older. Help me to find it. You want to connect a already shared printer. You want to connect it for a shared printer, or you want to add a printer using TCP or hostname. This is also shared printer. You have a network, wireless network, network discovery printer, network printers, Bluetooth printers. This option. You want to add a network printer or a local printer. This is the last option. Okay. Very important one is this one, this one, this one. These three. 1, 2, 3. You have a shared printer directly, share option, you can select it. If you are want to add a network printer with their printer IP address, you can connect it. Yeah, you have a wireless printer, you can add it. If in case you have Wi-Fi printers, wireless printers and stuff. And you want to add a local or a network printer, both you can use this option. So this is for a shared printer. Shared printers. This is network. This is Wi-Fi printer. And this is both local and a network type of printers also we can add it. That's why I selected this one. So use existing port. Okay, use existing port. Now new port it is LPT1 or USB port. Which network port it is? So generally that is. Okay, so it's a generic printers or Microsoft printers is showing. In generally, you have to add have a disk, browse. Then you have to give the location of the drivers. Normally, drivers you will install in a .exe mode. But in this one, so we don't have any printer drivers. Simply, I'm adding some printer here. We have done directed things. So this is the printer I added. One second. just for our understanding. In a real time, it is different, guys. So really, it is different. Okay. Use the driver that is currently installed. Replace the current driver. Something it is showing. So finally, we got it. Finish it. You can remove the device also, and you can also try again. Next time, if possible, I will try to show you how to install just a driver, some for a certain printer. Okay, not like what are the internal one. Okay, if it is internally, it is available. Okay, otherwise. So now it is. This is how to add a printer with a built-in drivers, guys. Okay, if you really you are installing particular device, like you have a physical machine, so then how to install? Okay, for example, I have a HP printer. Maybe 1050 printer is 105450. It's a test check printer. Yeah, anything no problem. So try download. Okay. It's not a new printer also. It is a very old printer. I'm downloading a drivers for this printer. Okay. Just I have, for example, think like this. Okay, I have a this device. So then I wanted some basic drivers to work with the printer, not required anything. So I download. So I'm downloading. So it's a 18 MB file. It is 64-bit. My PC is 64-bit, and the device driver 64-bit. And also, guys, for drivers, important thing is when you download a device drivers, any device drivers, important is bit or we can say architecture. Bit are a architecture 32-bit or a 64-bit. Is it a 32-bit or a 64-bit? OS support. Is it supporting for Windows 10? or not? OS support. Which operating system you are using is supporting for that particular OS. Okay, your system is 64-bit system. Okay, your system is 64-bit, means device drivers must 64-bit. Okay, no other kind of stuff. Okay, that is a very important point. Check versions, drivers versions, uh, exact what we can say device and driver suitability. Suitable or not. Yeah, it is downloaded. So something it is showing a webpack. Webpack means generally when you go to view, select this option. So .exe file. Webpack means in general it is like a what we can say. It downloads, but it will get information from the internet. So now we don't have any particular machine here. It is extracting. Now this is something it is showing HP. Yes. The end user agreement. Just example, guys. You have a drivers. You have a printer and you download a drivers and how to install the drivers. How it is shows. So printer analysis, please review and decide nothing. No thanks. Yes. Okay, somehow the interfaces may changes, but simply thing is download a drivers, continue install without connecting now, because I will connect the printer later. So keep it. On Windows and launch screen, HP printer, see utilize menu. So whatever it is finished. Just I download an application and install. So then better to go to refresh. This is my printer. Add printer. Let me check it. Yeah, HP. Can finish it. Okay, same steps. Because I didn't add a printer. Physically, printer is not added. If it is physically printer is added, guys, automatically it will appear. Okay, but I already installed the drivers inside. So no problem. Just I can add a printer here. So just add a printer. Now it is listed. Now it is listed. HP diskette. Okay. Next, next, and finish. It is HP diskette 1050 J410 series printer. And you want to make a default printer. How to make it as a default printer? Right click, set as a default printer. Okay, set as a default printer. Like this. So how beautiful it is came. Okay, set as a default. Okay, I have two printers, guys. I want to set this one as a default printer. Once you set it as a default printer, so how you know it is a default printer? So by checking mark. So you can see like this. I want to give a print. For example, this page, I want to give a print. This is some nonsense. It is, yeah. I want to take a print, Control P. So by default, we are getting this printer. By default, we are getting this print, not this one. Okay. By default, it is showing print is like this. Can you see? It's like that. Just understand this concept, default printer concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's a good
Yes,
thing.
sir.
So that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow class is there or not, I will update. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
any
sir.
tentative dates for the interview, sir?
That is we don't know. So even Monday, maybe your Prakash sir given message. No, Monday we will inform about things. Okay.
No, I mean, sir, the final interview, like any tentative.
That is we don't receive anything from Prakash sir.
Actually, Prakash sir said that you will get in the training that whenever will update us for that.
What is?
That what is the date of
Uh,
the
He,
interview and the percentage.
he told the trainer will update. I think.
Yes.
Trainer, maybe a sonover for your communication class.
No, for the communication test and the interview, the last technical round. Said that you will update us.
No. I think Prakash sir meaning is trainer means Monday. The sonover is your communication trainer. She is going to be update you about your communication training. Once it is completed, once this is, then they will may tell you this about when is your version test, and once version test completed, technical interview.
So, sir, in May 1st to 2nd week, we have the all the things completed. Like,
Yeah, right. I think so. Think so. Now this is 20th, right?
yes, the
First
20th
21.
April.
Maybe in next week, May first week, you will be complete all these things. I think so. First or second week maximum.
Okay, sir.
Generally, it won't take much delay. I don't know this time. Usually we don't have a time. These many things we never see talk. I never show how to install Windows 10 to any of your earlier batches, any disk management and all these kind of stuff. I never show. Okay. So this time we got a time. That is one thing good, but another side it is we didn't expect that much. We are getting this one. Otherwise, I will plan in more better way. Okay. Anyway, guys, study first of all, whatever it is, study. Okay. If you want
Okay, sir.
a quick recap, I will arrange that one. So one revision, if you want, I will arrange one day of one specific time, like either tomorrow or maybe on Monday. So we'll arrange some means like quick um, revise means what are the topics, what are the things. But keep studying means keep questions and answers. Okay, we put it in a group also, so we can split the questions and answers wise also. Not questions and answers. Questions wise also I will try to send. Again, I have to find where is my old files. Then definitely I will. Okay.
Okay.
But tomorrow class, I will update guys because tomorrow we have a holiday or not, we don't know. Okay. As per calendar, it is there, but we don't. So because Ramzan is maybe Saturday or Friday, so it depends upon this is it. Okay.
Okay.